So, nakababa na tayo dito sa kabilang side. So, mamaya naman. Yung isa pa. And then, try nating pumunta sa Buddha. Kasi nandoon na yung aking little girl. So, friend, may mga afam akong nakilala dito, mga kalahi natin. At gusto din daw niya itong ganitong kulay. So, I know exactly kung mga kalahi natin sila. So, we have another one, this one.
Hard copy. Go ahead.
298. No. The 2 is 299, not 298. This one only? Oh no. So, andito sila, friend, ha. Videohan natin sila. Ito yung mga kalahi natin na sabi ko sa inyo.
We like the deck.
I remember my friends. I remember my friends.
There you go.
Yeah, my friends is ano.
There you go.
You said that I did not. The Filipinos can understand
Yes,
Spanish.
Philippine, yeah.
Yes, yeah. He can understand. So, nandito na tayo sa labas. Tignan nyo, nandyan yung Buddha. Pwede tayong pumunta dyan. Akyatin natin yan. Pwede din namang hindi. Ano? Pwede namang hindi. Pero, so, since nandito na tayo, picture-picture tayo sa paligid. So, from yung pin, 360. Yan. So, papunta tayo dito. Meron din mga ganyan, no? Do not tap. So, there is a meaning of that. So, here is the meaning.
In the morning, cold in her soul, and a Dion's makes the broken world whole. Walking the path where the wildflowers grow, watching the beautiful river flow. She is the light, she is the way into the gold of a brand new day.
So, kasama sa ating ito vlog, itong CR nila. Napakalinis din. Sobrang linis na kanilang CR. And then, tingnan nyo naman, guys. So, ito yung electronic hand soap. And then, the faucet. Mapapabilib ka rin naman sa ano nila. Sa ganda ng nila, facilities nila. Take note, walang bayad ang napakagandang CR na to. So, please lang, kung sa Pilipinas na may mga bayad ang CR, please lang. No, huwag naman laging may bayad, guys. So, pwede namang walang bayad tapos maganda ang CR. Nakagaya nito. So, kung nagagawa ng ibang country, sila nga hindi ganun ka fluent mag-English. tayo, magaling tayo kumpara sa kanila, pero nagagawa nila na ganito kaganda ang facilities, no? Kaya sana maging ganito na ang Pilipinas, sana. Burns G, alam mo bang group of kakosa natin tong mga to? So nagkita-kita sila dito for the group tour. So, sila lahat. Okay, nakapagpahinga na kami ng konti, kaya proceed na tayo doon sa Buddha. Parang steps yata siya. Yun, iaakyatin natin. So, ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa Buddha. So, pahaba na lang yung aking kuha para maano nyo din, ma-view nyo siya sa short videos at saka sa iba pang social media platform. So, here pa lang makikita na Buddha. Yan. So, magwo-walk tayo dyan. Kaya lang, kailangan pala talagang merong kang sombrero or paayong. Wala tayong sombrero. Meron akong bonnet dito. Kaya lang, mainit. So, babaybayin mo lang yung medyo may lilim. Yan. May afam. Ayan, afam sa likod. Actually guys, ang dami-daming mga foreigners na nandito. So marami ding mga bilihan dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung Buddha, oh. Pero may paakyat talaga yan. So, subukin natin na akyatin yan.
The way into the gold of a brand new day.
Huli na kita.
The way into the gold of a brand new day.
Ang mamahal ng mga chopsticks na to guys. $548. Mahal. As in. Kung doon yan.
Across the rivers, through the skies, and it walks with wonder in the
Chopstick
eyes.
Gallery.
Every step a tale unfolds, treasures found and stories told. She traces lines
Guys.
upon the sand, seeking secrets of the land. With every breath, a brand new start, a map of dreams within
na.
her. And a Dion's the explorer, brave and free.
Pa-video din tayo. 7-Eleven dito sa Mampin. Diyos ko, namalat na talaga yung aking boses.
Spirit bold, she turns the unknown into gold. And a Dion's keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into something bright. Mountains echo with her song, guiding footsteps all along. Maps may fade, but she won't lose. Her compass is the path she'll choose through the valleys deep and wide. With the starlight as her guide, no mountain
Ang dami kasing mga dinadaanan. Ang dami kasing pwedeng mabili dito
that's
guys.
meant to touch the
Kaya tara,
sky.
proceed na tayo doon sa may Buddha talaga.
Brave and free.
Yun na yung Ayan, oh. Bawat, both sides, merong mga nagbebenta, kaya tumatagal talaga ang pagpunta dito. Dahil hinto-hinto, syempre titingin-tingin. Ito yung dalawa kong anak, oh. May sarili ding mundo. Kaya, sige, tuloy-tuloy lang.
She carries light through darkest woods. She finds what's bright. The wind may howl, the rain may fall, but she will answer every call. There is
Ayan,
no
medyo may
distance
dilim.
she won't go to see the world begin to glow. Anadians, the explorer, brave and true.
Ayan,
The
oh, malapit na
world's
kami.
horizons call to
Pero
you.
ano yan,
With every
aakitin siya ng hagdan. So, tara, puntahan na natin yan.
The explorer, brave and free, sailing through the world's great mystery. With a heart that shines, a spirit bold, she turns the unknown into gold. Gold
Okay.
in the morning, gold in her
And ito
soul.
yung mga bawal dito.
Anadians makes the
Yan.
broken world whole. Walking the path where the wildflowers grow,
Right,
watching
please
the
take note of
beautiful river flow. She is the light,
Oh, let's go.
she is the way
Proceed.
into the gold of a brand new day.
So, ang dami mga interruptions. Kasi, picture dito, picture doon, hindi talaga mawawala. Ang tagal makausad. So, this one is the General Andira.
Anadians, the explorer, through the
So, this one naman,
with a heart that shines.
the 12 Divine Generals, the General Mihira.
Anadians keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into something bright.
So, lakad na naman tayo.
Echo with her song, guiding footsteps
Hanggang sa makaabot tayo talaga dun sa
but she won't
Buddha.
her compass is
Medyo malat na yung boses ko kasi
valleys deep
no,
and wide. With the
sakit yung aking lalamunan.
no mountain peak is ever too high.
Iba-iba nga ang mga gamit. Mga tools nila.
Anadians, the explorer, brave and free, sailing through the
Mga talaga ang direct na
heart that shines, a
arm
spirit
nila
bold. She turns the unknown into gold. Anadians keep on reaching for the light, turning every shadow into
So,
something
sa madadaanan, merong mga
Sunrise glow to twilight's
statue.
end. Every journey makes a friend. She carries hope, she carries light. Through darkest woods she finds what's bright. The wind may howl, the rain may fall, but she will answer every call. There is no distance she won't go to see the world begin to glow. Anadians, the explorer, brave and
Medyo mga nagtitinda dito.
the world's horizons call to you. With every dawn, your story grows and a path
ayun
is
na,
where you
yung Buddha.
go. Anadians, the explorer, brave and free.
So, saan tayo una?
The world's
Doon?
mystery.
That's a temple. That's not a palace. That's a temple.
She turns the unknown into gold. Gold in her soul. Anadians makes the broken world whole. Walking the path where the wildflowers grow, watching the beautiful river flow. She's the light. She's the way.
Nandito ako.
Through the skies and walks with wonder in her eyes. Every step a tale unfolds, treasures found and stories told. She traces lines upon the sand, seeking secrets of the land. With every breath, a brand new start, a map of dreams.